Reasons to hang out in nature. Number three. Number three. Quiet time. Reflection. Quiet time. Reflection. Quiet time. Reflection. Okay? Quiet time. Reflection. Right? Where you don't have to respond to anything. Right? You can turn everything off, stare at the sky if that's what you feel like doing. You know what I'm saying? Guess the animal in the cloud. Not the cloud in your hand, but the cloud, the actual clouds. Okay. Maybe count the chemtrails if you're into that. I should do a video on chemtrails. But yeah, just reflection, sitting still and not doing anything, which is sometimes